So hi guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can use AC remote control, Voltas AC remote control. As you can see in the display have Voltas AC remote control. So let's talk about main keys, which keys we have to use to operate our air conditioner. So this is the first key, on off key. So when you press this button, your AC will turn off and turn on. So turn on your air conditioner. Then have mode key. How you can use the mode key? When you press the mode, as you can see have many modes in the air conditioner. You can choose. For example, let me show you, this is fan mode. So your air conditioner will not give you cooling and it will work just like a fan. So if you want just fan, you can use fan. This is auto mode. Your air conditioner will cool also your room. It will work auto mode. So, and this is here cool mode. Here you can set the temperature manually, and as you can see, swing. So this is up and down swing, and this is left and right swing. So as you can see in the Voltas AC remote also have two keys, for one and up and down, and the second one is for left and right. So this is how these keys work, and let me show you something else. We are talking about mode. So this is dry mode. What the exact meaning of this dry mode is, if you have humidity in your room, you can use dry mode, or in the rainy day you can use humidity. As you can see in the Voltas AC remote have humidity key. So basically the meaning of this dry, you can use directly, you can press the directly humidity key, or you can select manually mode, dry mode. Okay, both are same. And the other key have fan. As you can see fans. So the meaning of fan key is to set the speed of fan. When you press the fan key, it will, now you can set the manually fan speed, how much you want, low, medium and high. So these are the main keys what you can use to operate your air conditioner. And as you can see, turbo, this is also people want to use. The meaning is turbo, if you need instant cooling in your room, so you can use turbo. What will happen if you press the turbo key? Let's see. Wait a second. On the dry mode it will not work. You must to select cool mode first, then press turbo. Now what will happen? Speed will be increased as much as we have in our air conditioner. Your air conditioner will give you instant cooling. It will not take too much time or long time. It will give higher cooling as much as your air conditioner can. So as you can see, the speed level also become high. So this is how turbo works. And this is the timer. So if you want to set the timer, press one time, then you can set the time, how many hours, after how many hours you want to stop, turn off your air conditioner. 15 hours. Then you can press again. Now your timer is set. If you want to turn off timer, press again. Any third time you can turn off the timer. First to set the time, second time to set exactly in your air conditioner, and the third time to turn off timer. So this is how your AC remote works. Have many keys. So this is useless, or you can say sometime even in your air conditioner doesn't support these keys. So do not use this key. As you can see, have one more key, light. You can see display or light. If you press that, your remote display will be bright. So that's how you can use your AC remote control. Hope you like the video. Bye bye.